Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant breaking news. As we know that Cognizant announced the two biggest hiring, that is first is related to GenC, GenCPro and GenCNext for the 2025 batch, and second is related to analyst trainee. In the video we will see the step-by-step registration process, resume with latest photo, what is technical exam skill cluster, GenC, GenCPro, GenCNext. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you, and for the similar for the 2024 batch we made all the videos that is related to communication test, aptitude assessment, technical assessment, exam cutoff, interview preparation, everything. So no need to worry about that. Okay, so let's discuss about our first point, that is related to Cognizant GenC hiring. 2025 freshers hiring for engineering graduates. Okay, and this is not like this is directly available on the Cognizant page. When you write the Cognizant GenC on the Google, so you will find this page, and on this page, okay, Cognizant GenC program analyst trainee and programmer analyst trainee, programmer analyst hirings are there. Similarly, when you open the page, so you will see everything that is related to Cognizant hiring. Okay, fine. So it is clear that they are hiring for GenC, GenCPro and GenCNext role, and this is the salary for the particular GenC 4 LPA, GenCPro 5.4, GenCNext 6.75 LPA. Okay, this is the hiring process timeline. One stop registration will be there on 9th April, and there is a screening process. Screening process means your resume will be shortlisted for the hiring, particular hiring. That's why you have to use this resume. Okay, the thing is we already created one video on our channel, and this is also a video. You can find out this resume. This is the updated resume format in which everything is mentioned: objective, skills, education, training, certification, and this is previously selected candidate resume. Okay, those candidate who apply through this resume, they are shortlisted. In the form they clearly mention one point here. Okay, one point here, that resume attached with the latest passport size photograph. Okay, this is the resume and it is attached with the latest passport size photograph or industry aggregated certificate if available. Okay, fine. Then communication assessment on 17th April. If your resume is shortlisted, you will receive the update. Then aptitude assessment on 21st, technical assessment on 22nd April. According to your performance in the previous examination, they will shortlist you either for one role, GenCNext, GenCPro and GenC, and it is on the May, and after that letter of intent LOI will be there. This is the eligibility criteria. 25 batch of BE, BTech, ME, MTech are eligible to apply. 60% criteria in 10th, 12th diploma, UG, PG. Rounding of 59.9% is not allowed. Student with standing errors are not eligible. Appropriate CGPA to percentage conversion. Flexibility to work from any Cognizant office location. Open to Indian national who are currently residing in India. This is mandatory document for the registration: resume attached with latest passport size photograph, all academic document including the college ID card, 10th, 12th diploma, UG for the interview. Okay, so the thing is, one most important point that many of the candidates are asked, it is on campus or college based opportunity or off campus, because while filling the form they are asking this. Okay, in the afternoon, okay, by most probably today 1 to 2 p.m. okay, I shared the apply link with all of you on our WhatsApp group. Okay, at that time it is written that it is only for Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala colleges. Fine. Okay, but now it is not written here on the page, on the Superset job portal page. It is not mentioned everything here, but in the form they are asking, did you apply for 2025 off campus drive of Cognizant through your college? If you apply, you have to select yes, otherwise no. Is your college located in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka or Kerala? Suppose, okay, there are two type of condition. Suppose if this hiring is college based, okay, or college based, or we can say that this hiring is related to Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala, so you can fill the form. Okay, if you are eligible, so they will shortlist you. Either they will not shortlist you. We have to wait for the other hiring. Okay, because it is available on the Cognizant GenC portal, and now यहाँ पर अभी कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है तमिलनाडु and Karnataka and Kerala states के बारे में. So the thing is, you are from any college. If your college is eligible, okay, if it is showing that you are eligible on the superset, if it is showing that you are eligible like this, you can apply for opportunity. So please apply for hiring. No need to worry about anything. Okay, if your profile is shortlisted or if you are eligible, so definitely they will send the next mail to you. Okay, and if your college is already shared this opportunity with all of you and they said that it is on campus, it is for our college, so apply through your college, no need to worry about that. But I already checked this Cognizant page. Okay, it is a GenC page, and now it is not showing anywhere that it is for only Kolkata, like it is only for Karnataka and Tamil Nadu or Kerala. That's why I shared, if you are eligible you can apply, so no need to worry about that. Let's discuss about the one most important point, that is related to registration step by step. Okay, when you click on apply now button, so you have to use the Cognizant resume. Please update your resume. Fine. Do you have a PAN card? Yes. First name, middle name, last name, father name, emergency contact number. Is your college located in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala? Suppose you are from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. If your college is located, yes, otherwise no. Select the additional skill cluster. What does it means? Okay, so let's discuss about. First is your communication assessment, second is aptitude assessment, and third is technical assessment. So in the technical assessment, there are skill cluster, means there are examination on the particular topics, like skill cluster number 1, cluster number 2 and cluster number 3. Skill cluster is by default cluster in which Java, NC, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript will be there. Skill cluster 2, Python, NC, SQL, Cloud Fundamental. Skill cluster 3, C#, NC, SQL, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Suppose you are proficient in Java, okay, so by default you have to only choose the skill cluster number 1. Okay, if you are interested in Python, so you choose skill cluster 2. If you interested in C#, you choose the skill cluster 3, either not applicable. Suppose you are interested in the cluster 1, that is Java, so you have to choose not applicable. They clearly mention skill cluster 1 is default cluster and candidate will evaluated on Java. Candidate can choose skill cluster 2 or skill cluster 3 or not applicable as their additional cluster. Based on the preference, few candidate will considered for skill cluster 2 or skill cluster 3. Kindly note that final decision of mapping skill cluster for technical assessment is sole discretion of Cognizant. Okay, so suppose you want to like you are proficient in Python, so you can choose skill cluster 2. Otherwise, if you are good in Java, so you can choose the not applicable. Job location you have to choose. Okay, job location you have to choose. After that, are you flexible to work from any location in city? Yes. Are you flexible any shift? Are you flexible on any technology? Were you employed with Cognizant earlier? If yes, otherwise no. Did you apply for 25 on-campus drive or Cognizant? No. If you are employed, please share. Select your nationality, Indian. Do you have a passport? Yes. If yes, Indian or foreign passport, like choose. If foreign passport, which nationality? You have to choose like not applicable. Okay, if foreign passport not applicable, fine, you have to choose the not applicable option here. Do you have a voter ID card? Yes, otherwise no. Do you have a cyber security as degree, specialization or elective? If your cyber security is a elective subject, so you have to choose elective, otherwise no. If you have a cyber security related specialization, otherwise you can mention NA, not applicable. Select the skills which are proficient and hands-on. Suppose you select the Java. Okay, you select the Java, so they are asking select your proficiency in Java, cloud technology. Okay, so if you are not, so you can mention not applicable. Okay, no need to worry about that, not applicable. Select the cloud technology according to your preference, you can choose. Okay, they will ask other things as well. Additional cluster, suppose additional skill sets. If you have an additional skill set, so you can choose. Do you know German language? Do you know French language? Do you know Japanese? Are you physically challenged or impaired? Disclaimer. Okay, the score uploaded, everything, and you have to click on apply now button. Similarly, you have to submit all the option and this type of page will be here and proceed. Okay, so now you have successfully applied for job opening and you will receive the mail from the Cognizant team. Next, we will focus on the updates of test and everything, and you are from 23-24 graduate, so your 3-year full-time degree off campus analyst trainee hiring is ongoing. Okay, so this is the step-by-step process of Cognizant. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.